Dentists and patients around the world have been putting themselves in danger to maintain oral health. One dentist decided enough was enough and created an all-encompassing solution. Meet AirGuard, the technologically advanced, revolutionary line of products that offers air suction and protection simultaneously. The AirGuard LT is a reusable, recyclable, scratch and chemical-resistant guard protecting patients and dentists from one another. The wide curved barrier easily secures to the vacuum that catches any unwanted aerosols before the patient can inhale them. This thoughtful and well-crafted guard can be used in every dentist office in the world. The custom AirGuard MP, with a sleek design and a durable polycarbonate finish, offers precision four-corner spotlights and LED side strip lighting, eliminating the need for headlights and overhead lighting. Color temperature control allows dentists to perform many different procedures. This breakthrough technology gives dentists the ability to work safer with more precision. Blue light enables quicker curing of the epoxy material, and amber light allows longer work time. The most technologically advanced product, the AirGuard XP, shares the same impressive features as the AirGuard MP, along with the high-definition still and video camera with 8x zoom capabilities. The capability to record audio and video allows patients to review work and use for any insurance claims. Touch, zoom, and pan with ease. The combination of an ergonomic handle and a capacitive touchscreen allows for an intuitive, user-friendly experience. The technology is imminent and the protection is mandatory. This line of AirGuard products is the future of dentistry.
But I'm almost ready. I'm trying to cut this on. I was trying to cut it on here. I guess it's not. Hey, you guys also can tag AirGuard too. Maybe I can get this on working. Here we go.
My shiny forehead. Thanks.
All right, great. So, let's take some more pictures. Hey.
So let me ask you guys a question. How do you feel with that over your head? Do you feel like claustrophobic? No, right? Do you feel like kind of nice, like that? Maybe the patient, like you can close your eyes, or and you could see as
I'm gonna do photo first.
how close? This is the closest. I feel okay.
You feel okay?
Yeah.
There you go. This is nice. You do a video too?
I do feel fine. I like it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's great. It's definitely you feel normal.
It's still recording, so we don't have pain in there yet. So Zoom or transmission.
Yeah. Do you want to try it out yourself? So this is how it would go. First, let me show you this. So you would sit down. You don't need a face shield anymore. You know, your regular mask. So you can grab it. I can move this back out the way a little bit. Lower the chair more. There you go. And then you bring this down. You can turn it towards you. So if you want it more towards you, so now you don't have to, bingo.
Perfectly fine.
And then now you can see this now. Yeah, you see his mouth already. And then if you want to,
It's fine.
there you go. Oh, you got the hammer on. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. There we go. And then you got the four corner lights. There we go. Now we got it all on. Why? And then if you want to bring it away, see more. See his face, or if you want to go in and see his eyebrows.
The camera part definitely easy to fix.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
No
Definitely.
problem.
Camera. And then also what we're going to change is this. We're going to do an edgeless display, because when we do the manual set, sometimes it gets a little hard in a little corner there. So it's going to be an edgeless
Oh
display.
my god, you're gonna start a robotic dentistry soon. You gotta add in those features.
For real? Oh, that's a good idea.
You should. And you should have all those things going, like X-ray. You literally can just have the patient.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's the point of this. Once we have the USB ports right here, you don't have to get up. It's safer for the patient. It's safer for the doctor. It's safer for everyone, because I realize that it lingers.
It's so good.
Thank you.